Biosensor has many competence areas. The company works on different fields and produces instruments for several applications. The main expertise and know-how covers quantification of pesticides contamination, wastewater treatment, sensors for microalgae growth control, gas sensors, stretchable electrodes, and biosensor for human health monitoring. Biosensors work concentrates on projects and design of instruments for the detection and quantification of several type and class of pesticides. These tools are able to discriminate between different kinds of contaminants and to identify them. They use luminescence or amperometric methods to evaluate the amounts of the compounds. These devices are portable and give an accurate analysis in only a few minutes. They are fundamental for water, food, and environmental monitoring. The nitrification process can be controlled through luminescence and fluorescence biosensors. The monitoring of toxic chemicals using the biological nitrogen removal process is essential to perform a correct operation of the plant. Poisonous chemical compounds such as eleutheria, phenols, heavy metals sometimes interfere with the biological treatment process and affect the function and effluent water quality. The realization of bioreactors and technologies for the growth of microalgae is one of the main focus areas of the company. The instruments produced achieve accurate control of the algae photosynthetic efficiency and biomass production. They are suitable both for inline and laboratory analysis. Anthropic activities release more and more critical quantities of substances deliberately or accidentally into the atmosphere. Among these, there are numerous small organic and non-organic molecules dangerous for human health, work, and environmental security, for productive activities, and the conservation of cultural heritage. Biosensor deals with the assembly, testing, and optimization of miniaturized sensors produced out of nanostructured materials. They allow a quick, selective, sensitive, simple, and reliable determination of the analytes of interest. Stretchable electrodes are realized in the lab using renewable material according to a green economy concept. They also work under significant elongation, even more than 100%, with high accuracy and repeatability of the measuring. At the same time, conductive electrodes are designed for resistive measurements in several applications like gas detection or temperature pressure control. One of the possible applications of these stretchable sensors could be the development of wearable biosensors. Their realization is one of the main tasks of biosensors' work. They can be used for several applications as fitness tracking or health monitoring. One of our missions is to monitor and control the composition of the sweat. The sweat contains several ions, metabolites, acids, hormones, proteins, and peptides. The device that the company is developing has the task to detect, analyze, and give information about these compounds that can be used to monitor human health and the presence of underlying pathologies. Biosensor is a company that offers new biosensor instruments for environmental monitoring, agrifood analysis, and biomedical applications, bioassay development, technological solutions, and consulting services in the biosensor development sector, a strong know-how and documented expertise in the field of algae growth, water waste treatment by algae, bioreactor design and development. Small Goal Sense System of Measurement for Algae is a small portable instrument to optically characterize the fluorescence emission and the optical density correlated to a cell density of algae culture. It is possible to connect the Small Goal Sense instrument directly to a bioreactor bypass to monitor the algae culture condition. Biosensors is one cell amperometric biosensor based on screen-printed electrodes reading responses from a biological mediator which interacts directly with the substance to detect. Biosensor developed fluorescence and luminescence biosensors based on recombinant microorganisms for toxicity control of the nitrification process. 3 optical transduction devices developed by Biosensor have dedicated optics for the highest versatility without sacrifice of performance, and they have different properties and applicability in fields, laboratory and online. The Antiox Biosense device is an electrochemical biosensor based on screen-printed electrodes detecting antioxidant capacity from a biological mediator. Among the substances analyzed, there can be especially food, juices, and raw materials. The European project Nemosine aims to improve the traditional storage solutions, such as freeze storage, by developing an innovative smart package with the main goal of energy saving and extend conservation time of cultural objects based on cellulose derivatives. Biosensor is a partner in the project to develop a highly sensitive multi-sensor arrays to monitor degradative gases produced by the films. The European project Eucaliva, Eucalyptus lignin valorization for advanced materials and carbon fibers, focuses on black liquor as a platform for the production of many renewable materials for industrial applications that can be environmentally friendly. The aim of this project is to demonstrate the potential application of black liquor that contain 10 to 50% of carbonized lignin extracted by the eucalyptus tree. Biosensor is one of the main actors of this project and is already utilizing these bio-based materials for the production of the stretchable screen-printed electrodes for wearable sensor development. The Cambiosa project is targeted to strengthen international and intersectoral collaboration, sharing new ideas, knowledge transfer from research to market, and vice versa in the field of nanostructured metal oxide optical biosensors for cancer cell detection. Interdisciplinary product research and innovation goals are targeted to develop a new portable tool for early-stage cancer detection, which can solve one of the most important health challenges in the European society. Biosensor always pursues new business and research opportunities in the biological sector. The company is available as a partner in European and international programs. The main focus lies in the design and fabrication of innovative instruments for biotechnology, agrifood, environmental, and biomedical applications. The development of patents regarding processes and devices with high technological content represents the final aim of our work.